Wagwan people, welcome back to another episode of Poppyshow.
Today we're gonna see how well we know each other. So we've been married for 12 years.
12
and we should know some things about each other, you know what I mean? So
we think.
We'll see how well we know each other mentally. You're gonna love this one. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and click the notification bell so you can see what Poppy dropping. We're dropping a lot of stuff, okay? Alright, so let's do it.
Of these three words, which would you say best describe me? Miserable, crazy, or loyal? I think you would have just like bam bam. Like, what is there to think about? Really?
Miserable, crazy, or loyal? Yeah, but touch all of them though. Which one most?
But which one best describe me?
And your eyes are in my eyes. A good question, no?
In my eyes.
Oh, in your eyes, loyal.
Okay.
In my eyes,
Loyal.
loyal too.
You sure say loyal? Like you don't want to say. I mean, just have a feeling say they want to say something else, you know.
I'm a liar, man. She liar, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Alright, so same question, right? Of these three words, which would you say best describe me?
Okay.
My three words are funny, determined, or loud.
Okay, so I'm stuck between two. Funny or determined. Those two definitely describe you. But which one? Let me see. Which one best? I would say determined.
So you have something funny?
You're funny, but
I'm more determined.
I think you're more determined than being funny. I got it right. Alright, we're doing good so far, babes.
Alright, I guess we know each other a little bit
Alright,
so far.
let's see. Alright, so next one. Of these three celebs, who would I most likely date? Denzel, Morris Chestnut, or Chris Brown?
Denzel, Morris Chestnut, or Chris Brown. I don't see you like the Morris brother still. Chris Brown.
You ever tell us something like Morris?
What?
When?
Yeah, you always say you like that brother. Chris Brown, I think him a your type. Him too light.
Are you trying to say I don't like light skinned men?
I think you like light skin. I don't know why I don't want that kind of hard. But Chris Brown, I never used to know about Chris Brown. Denzel kind of cool still. But I actually endorsed the marriage. You know what I mean? Denzel kind of militant. But I'll go with Morris, whatever his last name is.
What you guys think?
Morris. The brother there. How old is time you that brother there?
Alright, so my answer would be Denzel.
What? I never used to know nothing about Denzel before.
Really? I love me some Denzel. I sure do. Mature, he's loyal. I mean, oh, check.
Really? Okay, let's move on, please. My question. So, of these three celebs, who would I most likely date? Rihanna, Spice, or Lala Anthony?
Jeez, boy. Rihanna, Spice, or who?
Lala Anthony.
Lala. I think it would be Lala.
Why?
Well, I don't think you would go for Spice. I think you can manage Spice.
What?
I don't think you can manage Spice. And
Spice, you not ready
Rihanna,
for this?
Rihanna, she's no, I think you don't go for Rihanna. I'm not think Rihanna your type. I would more think Lala.
So why Lala my type though?
No, between Rihanna and Lala, I think Rihanna's skinny and Lala probably have a little bit more weight and maybe look a thicker. I don't know.
So I like thicker.
If you like thicker.
Lala.
Winnings.
But Spice, you can't check the general.
Alright, so my number 3. Of these 3 words, which would you say describe or love life?
Okay.
Work in progress, fairy tale, or match made in heaven?
Definitely not work in progress. One master that long time. Fairy tale. No fairy tale thing, Rasta. I say a match made in heaven, you know what I mean?
Is that your final answer?
Yeah, man, confident.
You are right. Match made in heaven. General. Babes.
Fairy tale thing.
Okay.
Alright, so same question. Of these 3 words, which would you say best describe our love life? Steamy, lame, or perfect?
Steamy.
Yeah, man, it's hot. You know what I mean?
When me know it no lame,
Well, you know.
you can't come talk about my our relationship lame. What the hell? So me know it no lame. So it's either steamy or what the other one?
Perfect.
Perfect. Why did I use the word the other day when me try to tell us me perfect? Yeah, make me know say yo, Ray. No, you won't come use the word perfect. All right. I'm gonna say steamy. Steamy?
Steamy.
Yo,
You know you get along with it?
just good like that.
Wow.
Wow. This is awesome. I'm liking this.
What's yours?
All right, number 4. Of these 3 words, fill in the blanks. Before I got married, I was a player, antisocial, or a social butterfly.
Before you got married. No, yeah, social butterfly.
People want to think.
You know something I play about. Let me see. I'm a final answer. But I wonder if I play, you know what I mean?
Is there a story? Is there? Alright.
Like I said, before you got married, you were, like I said, antisocial. Yeah, I don't think you did kind of. Because right now, me, I make she come out of her shell, like, you know what I mean? And yeah, I would probably say antisocial. That's what I think.
No, I was a player.
Before you got married, you were a player?
You know, you're single and whatever, you have to kind of play, you know, see what they're about. And yeah, so I was a little player. I mean, I have to, you know, kind of see what's going on the ends before I make a final decision. You know what I mean? Yeah, and you have to do that. I think it's a smart thing to do. When you have options and then you can, you know, narrow it down and he's the winner.
So me did I get a player?
No!
So
But you were in line. You were a contestant. Had many candidates.
excuse me.
I'm
Okay.
just saying.
Of these 3 words, fill in the blank. Before I got married, I was nice, a player, or lonely.
I think You're a player. You're a little player.
Player?
Yes, you're a little player.
Why you say that?
Because...
Nice me.
Oh, you did nice too, but I think you're a little player under the quiet. What's the answer?
Well, the answer was lonely.
You were lonely,
But
babe.
they're lonely. I stand up in a line. Stand up in a line. Lonely.
You were lonely.
And I play out the field and me stand up in a line.
And then I showed up in your life. Oh, and changed your life forever.
Finally.
Okay. All right, number 5. I didn't know you were lonely, but okay. Of these 3 places, where did I have my first kiss? In a bus? Ooh. At my mother's house? In high school?
In a bus, in your mother's house, or in high school? Your mother kind of crossed you when I think you don't want to go kiss someone. She never did it. So that means that your mother always think, if you think about it.
No, I'm just say if that was supposed to happen.
Oh, if she would have been there.
Yeah. Yeah, she would be there.
What?
Yeah.
In a bus, I don't think you're so brave in a bus. In a bus, first kiss,
You'd be surprised.
school bus, or
Yeah, school bus.
alright.
What happens in the school bus stays in the school bus.
Excuse me, my dear. Never say in a school.
In high school?
Yeah,
In high school.
yeah, in high school.
Alright.
Straight. Alright, so my question. So of these 3 places, where did I have my first kiss? Where did I had my first kiss, right? Listen. Church back. House back.
What about this?
Or pan my back.
On your back.
Yeah, get a kiss pan my back. One place that
On your back. Oh, you get kissed on your back.
you be lonely.
Alright, I'm gonna say we say church back and what the other back?
Church back, house back, or pan my back.
House back. Now baby on a church back, you know when I got church and parents in a church and sitting down and just sneak round their back like say a tile to no God. So I'm gonna say church back. What's your answer? Church back. Same thing? So lonely, don't it? Gone all the way around a church
But
back.
then I wait for her in a line.
Alright, so number 6.
Last question.
Right? Of these 3, on a girls trip, which celebrity would I take? Rihanna, Spice, or Michelle Obama?
Rihanna or Spice. I say Michelle. I know Michelle kind of diplomatic, you know what I mean? Can teach you a thing or two. She write books and her husband was a presidency, you know, so she kind of, she up there, she know the thing. Spice them kind of wild and she was a player already. She don't think she want to do that again. And who again? Rihanna? Rihanna alright, you know what I mean? But not sure put no Rihanna to me. I'm gonna say Michelle, because Michelle, if you have a link with Michelle, you know so you have a link.
Okay, so I chose Spice.
Spice?
Yes, I chose Spice. I mean, I thought of maybe taking Michelle with me because she seemed kind of cool and whatever. But Spice just have a certain level to her. Like you just know say you got enjoy it.
But if you go on girls trip with Spice, you come back to me?
Why not?
No man, I want to go White House. Draw for Michelle.
White House you want to go?
Make 2 cars.
No man, Spice.
Annie.
She full of, you know what she name?
Spice are Jamaican. And we
So
come
she
from
have a spice
Jamaica.
up the trip.
White House with him.
But in a real life still, I think Michelle would have been a good
So you never choose
company.
Michelle?
Because Spice, me need some excitement in my life.
You know, at night time,
Spice would have know how to bring it, don't it?
Michelle would have read 2 books. Spice want to go dance.
No, we don't have to go
They
dance.
call her on her phone and
Our
can't get
energy
her on the
just
girls trip.
crazy. Our energy just crazy, so yeah.
Alright, my dear. So my question now, last question. On a guy's trip, which of these 3 celebs would I take as my little party, you know what I mean? Bounty Killer, Sizzler, or Kanye West?
Yeah, and what don't call him? What don't call Sizzler again?
No, Sizzler Kalanji.
Killer Sizzler Kalanji. I am a Rasta go roll, man. I know you're gonna eat still. I'm gonna put Sizzler.
I hold the meds, you know what I mean? Bounty, I'm a general, you know that. But Sizzler now, I don't know, Sizzler the boss. Hold the meds. Why my wife, I just be a little spice on you know what I mean? I think diplomatic and hold meds. You know what, Michelle?
The first trip, Spice, and me and you are roll.
Okay, guys. So you hear the questions, you hear the answers, right? In the comments, tell us of the 3 answers from each question. Which would you have selected for each of us? Okay? In the comments, leave that for us. Let's see what you guys think of us, especially those of you guys that know us.
Yeah.
Okay? And as always, guys, it was a pleasure making the video for you guys. We hope you enjoyed. And until next time, be safe, one love, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends.
Share, share, share.
Peace.
Peace. I just want to get to this and about one.
No one more after the player vibes.